I've been researching in virology for quite a long time, actually, and it began after my PhD, which was in immunology, but it was at the time when HIV was coming through the community, and it was really a pandemic of my era. And the thing that was really transformative for the outcome for this pandemic has been the development of antiviral drugs. And now I teach virology to undergrad students and medical students. I teach them about these drugs that have come through, and it's completely transformed the narrative of the story about HIV. It's turned it from a disease that was 100% case fatality, essentially, with no hope of survival, into something that is now completely manageable with these antiviral drugs. So I see that, with pandemics as they come through, we have the opportunity to do work that puts in place countermeasures that are going to be ready and can achieve the same kind of outcomes, preventing the large-scale deaths that might otherwise occur from a pandemic. The focus of my research is around how viruses use RNA in their replication and how we might be able to better understand the structure of RNA so that we can target this with new antiviral therapeutics. So RNA has turned out to be a really interesting new therapeutic modality, but we think of it as messenger RNA, just sort of a code on a string, but in actual fact it's highly structured, and within these structures lie switches, control components that we think are going to be useful targets for antiviral drugs. So success for this project will be defining a conserved RNA target, a riboswitch or RNA switch that viruses have to have in order to conduct their infection. And then we can target those with new classes of antiviral drugs, small molecules or even RNA or DNA that will interrupt and disrupt those switches and prevent infection. I think that this is an extraordinary program. I've had a career in virology, nearly 40 years of research, and in Australia it's been really not possible to push novel ideas and concepts forward, but the vision of this coming Global Centre for Pandemic Therapeutics opens up the reality of actually making concepts into outcomes and treatments for people within a couple of years. And so it's a super exciting, super ambitious, but something that I really believe is going to be a success.